Hey, Nancy, just wanted to wish you a wonderful retirement and best wishes as you sail off into your future. Just wanted to thank you for everything you have taught me over the past 15 years. I believe I'm a better principal because of the wonderful knowledge and all the instruction that you have shared with me, how much you love your kids, and just your wealth of experience and knowledge and your generous heart. So, wishing you all the best. We are going to miss you tons here at Camelot. Um, and I know that we will see you around the neighborhood. So, just wishing you the best.
Hey, Mrs. Buttenhoff, it was really special getting to have you as my first grade teacher and then being able to work at the same school with you. We're really going to miss you next year, and happy retirement. Don't forget to come back and visit us.
Hello, Nancy. I want to wish you the best in your retirement. It's been a pleasure getting to work with you over the years. And even though I was never your partner and didn't work very closely with you, I know what a gem you are of a teacher. And I just hope you have an amazing, relaxing retirement.
Nancy,
We
love,
you
we
will
miss
you
have
a
great
retirement.
nailed it. I did my
Have a great retirement. Thanks for being my first grade teacher.
Congratulations on your retirement. Thank you for being my first grade teacher. We will all miss you. Bye.
Nancy, I will miss you so much. You've had a huge impact on my family. You taught my second daughter first grade. You helped my other daughter intern for you. We so appreciate you. Thanks for thinking of each person as an individual, no matter who they are, and for treating them as valuable. Camelot will miss you.
Nancy, I so have enjoyed working and learning with you and being just right here at Camelot alongside you. We have had many good years together, a few hard times, but we have learned and grown, and I will miss you and I love you. Have a great retirement.
Okay. I'm about to have a good day. No matter what they say. Sun is shining down on me. Birds are singing praise. I'm about to have a good day. In every single way. The God who made the universe knows me by my name, so it's a good day. Baby in my arms, walking through the neighborhood, living in the present, not woulda, shoulda, or could. I remember back when I was low as a rug. Now I'm standing up, look at what my father does, turning all things new, gray skies blue. Hear the church say, and won't he do it? I know he's got my back. That's why I'm singing that.
Nancy, just want to say thank you for all the years. We started together down at Whitman when you were interning down there, and we've been together for over 30 years, and I just want to say thank you for everything you've done. Thank you for keeping track of me, keeping the calendar going, making sure I knew when due dates were. You are an amazing partner and human being. And I just want to say one more thing. Enjoy your retirement, and just in case, sent you your very own Diet Dr. Pepper, and just in case you need it, some straws. Enjoy.
Mrs. Buttenhoff, you are amazing and creative, and you put things together so well, so seamlessly. You work so hard. You're so organized. All the traits that every teacher wants, you've got them, and we love you. And Sean and I are so blessed that we have been able to teach with you this year, highlight of our teaching career, and I'm sure for forever. We love you. We appreciate you. And we know that the rest of your life, you're still going to be doing awesome, amazing things to help people and kids, and everyone loves you.
Nancy, Sarah and I wouldn't have been able to do this without you. Every Friday that we planned, you would sit down and say, okay, here's what we're doing. And next year, we're going to really, really miss that. But I have designed the sheet. It's called Questions for Nancy,
And we will just jot down our questions, and we have you on speed dial. So whenever there's something that comes up, we know who to call. And like Sarah said, we just have been really blessed that you were able to teach us how to do first grade. So we know that next year we have that strong foundation from you, and we just respect you and love you, and we feel like we learn from the best. So we just want to thank you and let you know that we appreciate and love you so much. And Sarah,
we're doing this.
And you've already done it, girl.
You've done it!